Hello everyone, welcome to Fatimah Graphics. Today we will design this banner. In this banner we will use the shapes, text and shape builder tool. So let's get started. Firstly we will create a rectangle according to the size of the artboard. Size of the artboard is 3000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Change its color. The next step is to draw another rectangle. Change the color to white. You can use the colors whatever you want. Now go to the direct selection tool and select the anchor points of the rectangle which we have created. I am adjusting it here. Create another rectangle like this. Go to the direct selection tool and select the two anchor points of this rectangle. Drag them and make a rounded shape. Adjust it on the artboard and increase its size in length. Now make a duplicate of this shape and adjust it. Fill the color in both of the rectangles, whatever you want. I am adding blue color, light blue and dark blue. Now select all of these and go to the shape builder tool. If you hold the Alt key, the plus sign will be changed into minus and you can cut out all the extra shape which is outside of the artboard. Now go to the type tool and type the name of your brand or company. I am typing Fatimah. Increase its size. Increase its size and change the font style to bold. The font style is bold now. Now make a duplicate of this text and type whatever you like. I am typing graphics. I am decreasing its size and changing the font style to regular. Adjust it under the first name. You can adjust it to the right side or center or the left side. I have adjusted it in the right side. Now adjust both of them in the right corner. Go to the type tool again. Select the type tool and draw a rectangle. Type the text in it, whatever you want, it's totally up to you. I'm typing a simple text. And I am duplicating that text again and again. The text will be enclosed in the shape. Adjust the size and arrange it on the artboard in the center. Change its color. Now we will design its background with shadow. Create a new document with 4000 pixels width by 3000 pixels height. Copy the banner which we have created and paste it in the new artboard. Draw a rectangle as the background. send it to the back side of the banner. Draw another rectangle for creating a shadow of the banner. Change its color to black. Go to the effects, then blur, and apply the Gaussian blur to 27 pixels. Now send it to the backward. Select the black rectangle and press the down arrow key to bring it down. Select the curvature tool from the tool panel in the left side of the window and move the shape up from the center point by holding and dragging it. Change the opacity of the black rectangle to 52. Now change the background color. I'm changing its color to gray. You can change according to your own choice. I hope you will like this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.